In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply on Zendesk. Whether you're new to Zendesk or looking to refine your skills, this tutorial is designed to guide you through the process with ease. Imagine you're at the support interface, ready to engage with your customers or colleagues. The first thing you'll want to do is open the ticket you wish to respond to. Navigating through the support interface should be fairly simple, as everything is designed to be intuitive. Click on the ticket to bring up all the necessary details about the issue you're addressing. Now, one of the crucial steps is deciding on the type of comment you want to make. If your goal is to communicate directly with the customer or anyone copied on the ticket, a public reply is what you're looking for. They'll see your response, helping maintain clear, open communication. On the other hand, if you need to jot down some observations or thoughts meant only for your fellow agents, an internal note is more appropriate. These notes are purely for internal collaboration, allowing you to strategize or keep track of important information without involving the customer directly. Once you've determined the right type of comment, go ahead and compose your response. For a public reply, make sure it's clear, courteous, and addresses the customer's inquiry effectively. For an internal note, focus on the key points that'll help your team manage the ticket more effectively. Whether you're crafting a public reply or an internal note, feel free to use rich text formatting. The tools at the bottom of the comment field allow you to bold text, add italics, create bullet points, insert hyperlinks, or even include inline images. These features can enhance your message, making it more engaging and easier to understand. With your response crafted, it's time to submit it. Clicking the Submit button is straightforward, but it solidifies your comment, making it an official part of the ticket's history. If it's a public reply, this action will trigger email notifications to the requester and anyone copied on the ticket, ensuring they stay informed. After you submit your reply, remember to update the ticket status. Depending on your workflow, this could mean marking it as replied, pending, or solved. These statuses help organize your tickets and can be integral in managing your support queue effectively. By following these steps, you'll find that replying on Zendesk becomes a seamless process, enhancing your overall customer service experience. So, go ahead and apply this know-how to improve your team's efficiency and keep those customer interactions flowing smoothly. Happy ticket resolving!